Hello ladies and gentlemen, in today's video I'm going to be demonstrating how to change the battery on these watches. They both are not working because the battery is dead. The tools I'll be using are these right here. This I call it a magnifying scope. Maybe that is the name. I've had this for a while, but you actually use this for jewelry. You can use this or a magnifying glass, it doesn't matter. It's just so you can see inside the phone, inside the watch, to see what's holding the battery in together. So we start with looking at the corners. Okay, right here I see like a little opening, so I'm gonna tuck in my razor blade just to give me a little grip. Try to lift a little bit there. There you go. Sorry. In one shot I got it out. It was kind of tough. So the way to remove this battery, we get a little closer so you can see it. Alright, so put it like this. Here we go. So first thing I want to do is check inside to see what's holding the battery together. So there's two little pins right here, or holders, however you want to call it, that's holding the battery in place. So what I want to do is press on this end, because this end is going to actually let it release. So let's go. There we go. Put this battery in, and the proper way to put this battery in is starting off with this little clip right here on the side. Let's see if you can see it right there. Slide it in like that to the side, because it actually moves back a little bit. Let's tuck it in. Boom. Went in without a problem, and there you go. The arm is moving now. So now I'm going to demonstrate with this watch. So let me close this up. I'm going to show you another quick way how to seal the back real good. So first thing you're going to do is tighten it with your fingers, each corner. There you go. So an example, I'm going to use this stamp. The reason why I'm going to use this stamp is because the bottom of this watch has a circle, and this has a circle that looks similar to the same size. So it gives me an even coating or surrounding. So when I press down, I'm able to compress every corner precisely. So here goes the second watch. As you see, the arm is not moving. So there we go. Let me look. This little gap right here. And this one's tight. There you go. It's lifting up a little bit. I think I got it. I'll get some more blade broken there. It's okay. Just slide it in. tough. Alright, so this one, I'm gonna have to take off the plastic to be able to get to the battery. So here we go. Make sure you don't want to lift up the mechanism, the clock itself, the heart of the clock. There we go. Same way I showed you. Move closer so you can see it. Exactly how I take out the battery. So I press from this side. I'm just checking inside, but it looks the same as the other watch. Yep, same thing. Alright, so press in from this angle, like this. See how I lift it up? Bye bye, Charlie. Now, the way to put it in, see how I turned it around? It's like a little piece of metal right here. It's like a rubber band and like a spring, you can say. So you want to first make sure you tuck it in, pushing it that way. So as you see how I put it together, get a little closer. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna push it in. There you go. Goes in the right place. Moment of truth. This one is also clicking. So let's put everything back together. Push this back a little bit so it can align right. Oh, the bag's ready to come out. Oh, there we go. It's a little tough to put it in. As you see. Now, always remember when you are closing it back up, always have the part where you see the gap at towards the outside, so if you want to open it up again, you'll be able to. Be able to open it up without a problem. Another thing that I tell people, these phones are not, well, this one is water resistant. No wonder it was so hard to open, but this one is not. But you can make it water resistant if you put a little bit of glue in the edges. It'll keep it somewhat water resistant, not waterproof. Anyway, let's put this back together. So, your fingers. There you go. Like I told you before, grab the outside, not the glass.